How to scan a QR code on Discord. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to scan a QR code on Discord easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to Discord. Now this is the homepage as you can see right here, and if you want to scan a QR code just go here down below and click on this option, and now it will take you to this page. Now all what you have to do is go down and you will find scan QR code. Click on it and click allow the camera to scan, and you will be able to scan a QR code easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.